My Jenn-Air double-wall oven, model WW27430S reports an F5 error after I set the bake temp and it shows preheat message. Is there a quick fix for this problem? The home was built in 1994. It's a 27 inches expressions convection wall oven, model WW27430W, serial 132604445 key.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. The F5 fault code is indicating a problem with the oven temperature sensor or an intermittent contact on the power relay board, PRB. The oven sensor should be removed and tested with an ohm meter for proper resistance first. At 100 degrees the oven temperature sensor should have a resistance measurement of 1143 ohms if it's okay. If the oven sensor measures with the correct amount of resistance according to the oven resistance table, then the connections will need to be checked on the power relay board. At 100 degrees the oven temperature sensor should have a resistance measurement of 1143 ohms if it's okay. If the oven sensor measures with the correct amount of resistance according to the oven resistance table, then the connections will need to be checked on the power relay board.
How do I remove the oven sensor? I have unscrewed the top and bottom screws securing the control panel and have the control panel out and attached by just two connections. I have access to an online service manual.
Oh, okay, good. It will show you where you need to look to get the sensor, but honestly I think you are going to find that this problem lies within your power relay board, which will need to be replaced.
How is the power relay board checked?
You can check it with a multimeter if you have one. Is the service manual you have found not showing you the relay board testing info?
I have not printed the manual but will check relay testing info and get back to you shortly.
Sounds good. I am here to assist you if you need anything further.
I'm going to leave this site open, Travis, and hopefully we'll be getting back to you within a half hour or so. Reggie.
That is totally fine.
Travis said I could contact him regarding my oven problem at no further cost. He did not help me to identify what they look like, the exact items that must be checked. Reggie account number 95,357,608.
My apologies, I thought you had said you have the service manual which will show you where the oven sensor is located.
Hi, I unscrewed the control panel and placed it upside down on the top rack per manual instructions. It had two multi-wire units connecting the panel to an interior, top right side of the top oven panel. I tried checking the continuity of each of the wire in each one of the plug-in units. I didn't get any readings. Does that mean those units are faulty, or is that how one checks those wire units? The manual doesn't have pictures showing where the oven sensor is located. Trav, I have an appointment that I must meet. I must leave our conversation. May I contact you back on this same issue? Please leave a message here. Thank you. Reggie.
Yes, you can always come back to me. I will be here. I am going to send over my service manual for you.
Thanks, Travis. Is that by email or this site?
https://s3.amazonos.com/sm backend production attachment /09001A5080389046 /service%20 manual %20% 2016010312.pdf.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.